Meet Bob. He's one of many customers of Holdco, a provider of on-hold and in-store audio. Bob wants a new on-hold production to promote an upcoming exhibition. He calls his account manager, Josie, at Holdco to brief her. Josie writes a sample script using Smart, Holdco's script management and recording tool, then sends a link to the script to Bob, allowing them to work together to come up with the final wording. Josie recommends that some paragraphs are recorded by Vince and others by Valerie to make the production sound more interesting. When Bob has signed off on the script, Josie approves it for recording. Smart automatically sends emails to the voice artists telling them what style the read should be and the required turnaround time. Smart is, well, smart, and recognizes IVRs or messages that they've recorded in the past, saving Holdco a bundle of cash. Later that day, when Valerie clicks on the link in the email to view the script, which contains pronunciation reminders and is formatted to fit her iPad, she sees there are 5 other jobs for her, so she records and uploads all of them at once. Valerie likes Smart because it tracks all the recording she has done for Holdco and automatically creates a monthly overview that she can attach to her invoice. Holdco's accountant likes this too, because she doesn't have to check if the recordings have been approved for payment. Back at Holdco, the Smart system shows the studio manager that Vince has not uploaded his recordings on time, prompting her to remind him. When all the recordings have been uploaded, Smart notifies the studio that the job is ready for editing, and because Vince was late uploading his recordings, it prioritizes the job to ensure Bob's deadline is met. Quality and accuracy are core to Holdco's customer promise, so Smart guides every job through 2 stages of quality control to ensure the recording is done just as Bob wanted, and it keeps an audit trail just in case there's a mistake. As usual, Valerie, Vince, and the studio engineer have performed perfectly, and the job is approved for delivery. Smart knows the file format Bob needs, and upon delivery, Smart also checks that the file is named exactly as Bob asked. So when Bob receives an email from Smart with a link to the completed recording, he knows it'll be just perfect. As usual. Smart is highly customizable and can be developed to suit any company's operating processes. Being cloud-based, it allows account managers, copywriters, voice artists, and studios to be located in different places, while the real-time dashboards, detailed audit logs, and extensive reporting give the Holdco management confidence to relax, knowing their business is running smoothly.